I'm Brian Mastro from the Penn State Campus Weather Service here with your forecast for the State College area. We'll start by taking a look at your weather headlines that we're tracking for the next few days. Today we're going to have near record high temperatures. However, this will be very short-lived as we have very cold air arriving in the area for this weekend, and we might even see our first snowflakes in the area for this weekend as well. I mentioned that we have near record highs for today. We'll take a look at our weather almanac. A record high is 79 degrees set back in 1984, and right now we are forecasting a high of 78 degrees, which is very close to that 79 degrees, so depending on just how warm it gets later, we could tie or potentially even break that record. And we'll take a live look at the Arboretum, where we currently have a temperature coming in at 70 degrees, and we have winds coming out of the south at 7 miles per hour. And we'll take a look across the state. You see this warm air building up in western Pennsylvania with Pittsburgh at 73 and Erie at 73, Johnstown 72, and that will be slowly pushing its way eastward as the day progresses. We see right now that it is cooler in eastern Pennsylvania with Scranton 64, Allentown 62, and Philadelphia 65. We're expecting all of these areas to warm up as this warm air pushes eastward as the day progresses. And we'll take a look at our satellite and radar, where there's not much to speak of in the way of rain right now, but we do have some clouds that are building particularly in northwestern Pennsylvania. And as these push eastward across the state today, we're expecting some showers and possibly even some thunderstorms to spawn with these clouds as they push across the state. And then we'll take a look at our eye on the future. We see that there are showers developing that could be arriving in the State College area at around 9:30 p.m. And there could even be a thunderstorm or two with this as well. And then that line will continue to push across the state at around 3:30 a.m. and it'll be in eastern Pennsylvania. And then as the night continues, it'll push out of the state and then leaving us with just some partly cloudy skies for tomorrow. And then we'll take a look at why we have this warm air right now. You see this ridge on this upper air map that is bringing all this warm air into the area, and that is going to be very short-lived, as already by tomorrow you see this dip coming, this trough forming that'll be bringing all of this cold air from Canada down into the eastern United States, which will make it very cold here for this weekend. And then we'll take a look at your forecast for today. We're expecting a high of around 78 degrees, which, as I mentioned, is near record high. And we are expecting it to get quite windy later on this afternoon, with winds coming from the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts coming in at over 30 miles per hour, and it will be mostly sunny for the entire day. And then for tonight, we're expecting showers and maybe even some thunderstorms, with the low dropping down to about 51 degrees, with winds coming from the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then we'll take a look at your 7-day forecast. Already by tomorrow, it's much cooler. It's nearly 20 degrees cooler tomorrow than it will be today. And then it is going to continue to get cooler, as then by Friday, we're all the way down to 50. And then Saturday, we're only going to have a high of around 40 degrees. So it'll be quite chilly at the Maryland game. And then they're not on this graphic, but Saturday night, we're expecting lows to drop all the way down into the 20s. So that'll be the first time this season that we will actually be going below the freezing mark. And we'll take a look at your forecast for this Friday, which is Halloween, of course. We're expecting a high during the day of around 50 degrees, with the low dropping down to around 33 degrees at night. And there is a chance of showers, particularly overnight. Then even though 33 isn't quite below freezing, some of these showers could have some snow mixing in with the rain. And then we'll also take a look at your forecast for our football game this Saturday against Maryland, where we're expecting it to be quite chilly, as the high on Saturday will only be reaching 40 degrees, and it will be partly cloudy for much of the day as well. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I've been Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.